On a wild plain, three lions are savoring a rich meal from a zebra, a feast they have surely been anticipating for a long time. The large body of the zebra has become a substantial meal that the three lions are striving to share among themselves. As they savored each delicious bite, a crocodile also caught wind of the enticing and highly valuable aroma. Unable to resist the temptation of the meat's scent, the powerful crocodile began to advance towards the meal that rightfully belonged to the three lions. The three lions noticed the intruder's presence and swiftly shifted from a mindset of eating to a mindset of combat. The sumptuous feast they had been anticipating was now facing the danger of being lost. Tension escalated as the crocodile advanced closer and seemed to show no intention of backing down. The three lions had to quickly find a way to defend their feast, not only to satisfy their hunger but also to protect their territory. In the end, after a tense battle, the three lions had to exert themselves to hold on to their meal. Their strength and determination ultimately secured victory, and the crocodile had to retreat empty-handed, unable to enjoy any morsel from the sumptuous feast the three lions had arranged.